Hey guys, we're going to continue our trig identities. So in this example here, they give us theta and the side opposite of it. So opposite versus hypotenuse, what they're going to try to get us to work with is sine. Because sine of theta is our opposite value over our hypotenuse. Okay? So it's going to be sine of 42 is the same as opposite over hypotenuse. So when I plugged 42 sine into my calculator, I got 0.669. Now I'm going to multiply by x, and then divide by sine to get x by itself. When I did that, I got 4.48. So my hypotenuse for this example is 4.48 given theta is 42. So the question now is, what if they don't give us theta and they give us the sides and we have to work backwards? So we can't do anything with that. We would just have sine of theta is equal to 4 over 5. And so then we would have to divide that out and then work backwards from there to find our degree of 0.8, and then we'd plug that back in, and we're still in a loop of just finding out this. We would then have to go backwards to find cosine. So someone much smarter than me came up with all these equations. I would pause the video right now, write these equations in your notes, and if you bring me a paper proving that you wrote these in your notes, I will give you extra credit. So pause the video, write these down, and show me tomorrow in class. Okay, now that we have those down, okay, we know that this is opposite over hypotenuse. So I know I'm working with sine. Okay? When we know sine, that means the thing that we're missing is the adjacent side, or the cosine. From the previous page, we said that cosine is the same as the square root of 1 minus sine squared. Okay? So that means that is 1 minus 4 over 5 squared. So I get cosine is equal to 1 minus 16 over 25. I'm going to convert this into a fraction so that I can subtract them. So I'm going to say 25 over 25 is the same as 1, but gives me the same denominator. Then I'm going to subtract. And I get 9 over 25. The square root of that, I get cosine is 3 over 5. And cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. So I have 3 over 5, 3 over 5. And again, we could do that with any piece of the information that we have. We plug in what we know to find what we don't know.